Listen to me. I need you to be brave. A man will come and take you away. I cannot go with you. This is how it has to be. This man is different. He will protect you. Please don't judge him for what he might do. I'm sorry. Maybe someday you will understand.
This is Benjamin Travis. The money has been wired to your account. Welcome to Chicago. I appreciate you taking this assignment, 47. It is never easy targeting our own, but Diana Burnwood's treason must be dealt with. I would send in one of the teams, but this is a job for a scalpel, not a hammer.
Reasons are irrelevant.
Exactly. Good luck, 47.
Sir. Yeah, it's an ice cream truck. Yeah, I know. I'll get rid of him. Hey, get out of here. We don't want anything.
What about your partner?
What partner?
During this assignment, key game elements will be highlighted. First of all, try to kill with discretion and try to remain undetected. Let's look at the interface. In the lower left corner, the blue bar indicates your health. Next to it is the radar. Use it to keep track of enemies, objectives, and exit points. In the lower right corner, you can see what weapon you have selected and if it's hidden. Next to the weapon, the yellow bar indicates how much instinct you have available. If it is depleted, you cannot rely on instinct abilities. Approach the cover in front of you.
This is Ford. We need to set up security at the wall entrance. Surveillance cameras, motion detectors, some of those new automatic sentry guns. What?
Excellent. Slip past while the guard is distracted.
Anyone there? Come on with your hands where I can see them. I know.
Holster your weapon.
But that doesn't mean I have to like it. Calling in personnel from local outfits.
Agent 47's training and supreme senses allow him to keenly perceive his surrounding. Distraction, steady aim, or fiber wire. The choice is yours.
Hey. You think that's funny?
Yeah.
Well, show yourself.
Begging him to seek help, but he doesn't want anyone to know. Leave it to all us.
When you are in cover, it is harder for your enemies to spot you. Wait and listen to the people around you. They may give vital information or simply let you know when the coast is clear.
Please. My wife's the state champion in gossip. It's only a matter of time. Not that I don't appreciate your concern. Mark my words, kid. You should get out of soldiering.
Use instinct or consult the radar to locate the exit.
This travel agency only has 2 destinations. Death and depression. And either way, you can damn.
Use instinct to anticipate enemy movement.
Looks like the chef's cooking up a storm.
I tell you, this gig is like watching paint dry, but at least the service is good.
Edged and piercing weapons can be used for deadly throws as well as distractions. Focus on a target. Now throw. The greenhouse up ahead will require a disguise to infiltrate unnoticed.
Miss Burnwood is tightening security throughout
Look for a
the
disguise.
As of now, garden personnel are no longer allowed inside the
Garden for 2 ex-presidents.
You are disguised as a gardener. In this disguise, you are allowed to be in the greenhouse area. Be mindful that other gardeners see through your disguise if you come too close. Trick the gardener.
Exactly like mine, huh?
Hey, fuck off, buddy. See anything weird, report to us immediately.
The gardeners up ahead will become suspicious, and you are too low on instinct to blend in past them. Try to look for another way.
What the hell is it all for anyway? Who is this woman?
I got no idea. I've only seen her once from a distance.
Sir?
Sorry, pal, new rules. This area is off limits unless you're perfect. Just perfect. I'm gonna kill these maintenance clowns.
Nah,
The guards
Miss
have been
Burnwood
dealt
pays them a
with.
week in advance.
Doing so, you regain some instinct.
Come on, let's check out the boats.
The guards are preoccupied. You can kill them or sneak past. The choice is yours. Clean kill. Remember to hide the body. Bodies left in plain sight will alert your enemies. Eliminating your enemies makes it less complicated to remain undetected, but even if it is efficient, the silent assassin strives to leave the world around him unaware and untouched.
I'm through the compound. Accessing mansion and approaching target.
Good. Infiltrate the mansion and terminate Diana Burnwood. Victoria, bring her in, unharmed. She is very dear to me.
What?
And the
You're
agency.
kidding. Wait, are you sure? It's not prostate cancer. I could kiss you. I mean, that's great news. Oh, man, you made my day. Yeah, thanks, Doc. Yeah. Whew. Man, I thought I was a goner. Yeah. Doc, I gotta run. Duty calls. And thank you so much. You have a nice day, too. Yeah, bye. Woo! Man, no one can piss on this day.
You are now inside the mansion. Your current disguise will be suspicious to the mansion guards. Either find a new disguise or try to remain undetected.
Hey. Command, just heard a strange noise. I'm gonna check it out. Please stand by. Hello there. Hello?
Look for a disguise. The mansion guard disguise gives you full access to the mansion interior. Be mindful that other mansion guards see through your disguise. Throughout the game, you will find evidence. Removing the evidence will award you rating points and instinct. Beyond this door, the rating system will be turned on. It will monitor your playstyle and reward your progress. You can see it in the top left corner. As always, how you handle your assignment is entirely up to you. Good luck.
Come on. They're sealed.
This recipe is a trade.
A mansion guard is on to you. Use your instinct to trick him and then walk away. Use instinct to locate objects of interest.
Listen up. Miss Fernwood's in the upstairs shower and will be down shortly. The girl's in her room and will remain so for the time being. For those of you who do not know the truth, I will personally appoint a close protection host for each client on a 6-hour shift cycle. You will not, I repeat not, leave your VIP side for any reason during your shift. Any termination of subsequent blacklisting.
The body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body and still has room for you to hide.
Search the cupboards for terrorists or whatever it is you do. Just don't bother me. I need my concentration. Artist at work. Very odd. The aroma is different somehow. Did I overdo the muscat? No. I want something in just an undertone, just in the finish. Something else. Have I made a... what's the word? Mistake? No, that's inconceivable. Okay, I must retrace my steps. Let's see. Is someone dimming the lights?
You are disguised as a chef. You are allowed everywhere in the ground floor mansion area. No one in the mansion will see through this disguise, but be mindful not to carry visible weapons, as they will cause suspicion.
I don't care. Order one of those mobile restrooms to put in the gardens. I will not risk infiltration by allowing anyone into the mansion that has not been directly approved by myself or by my closest staff. See that it is done. Over. New chef's assistant. Why was I not informed?
Of all the clients I've worked with,
Report
this
with
has
my
got
intel officer after duty for a security check. Cloak and dagger kind of girl, that's for sure. What's her story, anyway?
Nobody seems to know. Not even the head, I think.
My
But I
ulcer
caught a
didn't like
glimpse
that
of the
last
documents
cup
the other day
one
when I was on
bit.
escort duty. They had some
Stay sharp,
skull and
men!
bones logo
I have urgent
on it
business with Gate Security.
Mercis Letifer.
Mercis? Lethal trade? Wait, you don't mean... I thought they were just a legend.
You know what they say about the devil and his greatest trick.
Jesus. This woman didn't just piss off some crime lord, did she?
Yeah. Somehow I doubt it.
Cramps. I need to sit. Just for a moment. No one's gonna know.
Hey, let us us know if you see anything unusual.
If your score is high enough, you will unlock an assassin technique. Open the notebook to see your next unlock.
We should get a piano back.
Closing in on target.
Well done, 47. Now remember, Diana brought this on herself. She betrayed us, the agency, the code, everything we stand for. She is too dangerous to be left alive. Think about that when you pull the trigger. Forty-seven? Report, 47.
I should kill you. Why did you do this?
47! Tell me what's wrong with this thing.
We all have our limits. Even you, 47. We used to have honor.
Diana,
No. I had to take her away from the doctors. I knew you would understand.
Fuck. Something's not right.
You won't last long.
There's no time.
You still have a chance.
In my robe. A letter. Now go. Take the girl and run. Before Travis finds out. Please. Do not let her turn into you. Promise me.
I promise.
Running is noisy and makes it easier for your enemies to spot you. Agent 47 can deal with enemies swiftly and with great precision. Note that while you are focusing on your targets, you expend instinct rapidly. Turn the camera to focus on your enemy, then lock the shot. Fatal damage. Focus on the next enemy. All enemies are dealt with.
Target's going for headshots!
You know who I am.
I know. She's dead, isn't she?
Come on, stay close to me.
Where are we going?
Get in. It's done.
Excellent work, 47. Bring the girl to the extraction point.
did the agency want you?
I don't know, I guess I might have...
Diana did this for you. Why?
Please, she was my only friend. She took me away from the doctors.
Tell me about the doctors.
It's really blurry. Like, a really bad dream. Why?
We need to go.
Sir, there's nobody here. I think the asset's gone AWOL.